Enjoy it while you still can, Tita Aurora. Because now that your precious Paco is dead, stripping away your position will be as easy as flicking a switch.
You really think you can be CEO, Basil? Your delusion will only happen if you outlive me. Dahil habang nabubuhay ako, hinding-hindi ka magiging CEO ng kumpanya ko.
You didn't want my son to outlive you. Kaya nilason mo siya.
What?
Ikaw lumason sa kanya.
Well, that's ridiculous!
You murdered her!
Nilason yun si Sir Basil. Sure yun.
So, sino kayang killer? Malay nyo, kasama pala natin. Dito lang, aaligid-aligid. Jericho! Ikaw ba yun? Oo! Charla! Gago ka din ah!
Bakit? Nagbibintang ka?
Nung magkausap kayo ni Mr. Palacios before he went up for his toast, did he mention anything that can be connected to this?
Wala, we just talked about some personal matters.
Basil, I can't get pregnant.
Don't cry, okay? It's okay. Nothing changes. Kung hindi tayo magkakaanak, so be it. But just be you and me from this day until the end of our days.
Pero a few days ago, nakita ko si Basil na pasikretong may kausap sa phone.
I know. Stupid girl.
Char lang. Pre, kalma. Kaya na pinipiro. O mamaya mapakamakusahan ako eh.
Oh, eh bakit? Guilty ka, no? Anong sabi
Guilty?
ko?
Ako? Ako may bidensya ka?
Ayun, siguro ikaw talaga yung lumason kay Sir Basil.
Anong sinabi mo, DJ?
Jericho, ikaw naglason kay Basil?
Mr. Gina.
Sagutin mo ko, ikaw ang naglason sa asawa ko.
Hindi po totoo yun, ma'am.
Ano yung sinasabi ni DJ?
Mr. Gina, please.
We have a potential suspect here. DJ, magsalita ka. Sabihin mo yung totoo. Ano sinasabi mo? Nilaso niya si Basil?
Nagbibiruan lang naman po kami, ma'am. Joke lang po talaga yon. Ito si Jericho, napiko na agad eh. Baka hindi niyo po alam, ma'am, nung isang araw po kasi nag-away si Sir Basil tsaka si Jericho.
This is between me and this gutter trash. Ano?
Kuya!
Gago ka. Ito, iladan mo to. Ano?
Pagkatapos nilang mag-away, sabi ni Jericho,